I really like a game. It's called Breath of the Wild. I play it a lot. And it is for Nintendo Switch and Wii U, not for anything else. And Zelda gets captured by Ganon again, and my favorite part about it is the enemies aren't easy, so it's a really good challenge. In today's video, I'm going to 3D print Link. Let's get started. Okay, I'm in Thingiverse, and what you have to search to get this is Adult Link Super Smash Bros. Melee Trophy. And since it's turned around, I'm just going to view it and look at the front. I think that looks pretty cool. So I'm going to go to Thing Files, and I'm going to download it. I'm in Cura now, and I split the base and Link apart, and I never used these before, but I'm going to use them for my first time. Tree supports. So tree supports, first I have to go into a view to prepare. What I like about the tree supports is they go from the outside onto the inside, supporting the things that need support. So just press this, save to removable drive F, and then I just press this. Okay, so now I'm going to 3D print it. Okay, so I'm going to put the SD card in. I'll turn on the printer. And I have green because Link has a green tunic. So I'm just waiting for now. Okay, I'm going to print from SD. Going to 3D print Adult Link. And once it's done heating up, it's going to print, and I'm excited because I never used tree supports before. See you later. So we have to cut like right here to get the supports off. Remember, whenever you cut something, you have to wear safety glasses. Okay, the supports that were on the model were really easy to take off. You can see like the sword is like perfect. But the supports that were wrapped around him were harder to pull off. But there's no supports left stuck on him. I think the tree supports worked out pretty well, so I'm probably going to use them again in the future. And if you want to let me know how well the tree supports worked out for you, just leave how they worked for you in the comments. The new update of CoinTouch is available, and in a future video, I'm going to show you everything that has changed in CoinTouch. Please like and subscribe. Bye!